Mediterranean design has made people feel at home. Natural materials and an effortless approach to life. The elements are important too. Warm and expansive materials with a gentle touch, chosen and crafted with attention. So is Ona, the new Roca collection, designed to be a daily act of care. Light and strong, contemporary and everlasting, straight architectural lines and rounded corners as if softened by waves. Natural ceramics that touch your skin lightly and respect the world we share. Because in the moments that matter, we're all part of the same nature. Come home to the elements. Meet Ona, simple as nature.